Hi, I'm Iran, and today I'll be giving away this bag. That's right, it's a free bag. All you gotta do is subscribe, comment, and like, and you'll get this high quality bag. I mean, look at this bag. Wow, it's nice, huh? It's made out of this. No, I'm just joking. I'm giving away. I am gonna give away this bag, but you're also gonna get these ME Electronics HT21s, which are not bad. You know, they're okay for 20 bucks. So I never use these headphones because I don't like them so much. You know, I have much more expensive headphones, so I have no reason to use these. So I'm gonna give them away to my loyal fans. You know, I'm gonna give this away to my subscribers. So if you want to enter the competition, all you gotta do is subscribe, like this video, and that's it, I guess. I'm only gonna give this away if I get at least 5,000 views on this video, because you know, these cost me money. You know, I mean, and I need views. I barely get any. I barely get anything from YouTube. I barely make like 10 bucks a month on YouTube. So everything that I buy is from my money, and I don't. And over here in Israel, you can't return it to the store because I don't know. That's how policy is over here. So it's very, very expensive, all this, and I'm only buying it so I can review it for you. So you know. So yeah, I'm giving this away internationally. If you live in the US or whatever, everywhere, I'll ship it anyways. So subscribe, comment, like, and there has to be at least 5,000 views on this video. So I don't know, share it if you want. It really helps me out. And next week I'll be reviewing the Android TV that I bought. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and good luck to everybody.